critical thinking. Wisdom lies in thinking. The spearhead of thinking is rationalism. Periyar E.V. Ramasamy. A few years ago, while watching a television commercial, I heard, "Thinking is a waste of time." This statement sparked conflicting feelings because I tend to be more of a thinker than a doer. Statistically, though, the most successful individuals are those who take action and accomplish things. They create, perform, and learn through trial and error. I envy their success. However, the ability to think and the diversity of thoughts distinguish humans from other species. Incorrect and uninformed thoughts can cause irrational harm. Therefore, clear and profound thinking is crucial for making important decisions and taking meaningful actions. Critical thinking is the capacity to think clearly, objectively, or contextually to achieve a specific goal. Two aspects of critical thinking are the commitment of the seeker, cognitive bias, and the competence of the seeker, technical thinking skills. The person responsible for thinking can either be the biggest hindrance or the most valuable asset. Biases and instincts are inherent in the self, making them a hindrance. Biases evolved for quick decision-making that may benefit the individual in the present moment. These biases would be advantageous if we lived like animals guided solely by instincts. However, our complex society requires decisions that consider both the present and future, not just for ourselves, but also for our families, communities, and future generations. Overcoming our natural biases is incredibly challenging. Critical thinking involves recognizing and seeing beyond these biases. Thinking, pondering, planning, predicting, imagining, and being lost in thought exemplify the greatness of the human mind. The more one engages in these activities, the more proficient the mind becomes at thinking. Education is fundamentally about training the mind across various disciplines. Different subjects provide the knowledge base required for advanced thinking, leading to societal advancements. We are living in the age of information, consuming and generating knowledge at unprecedented rates. Critical thinking encompasses various components such as analysis, evaluation, inference, interpretation, self-reflection, problem-solving, communication, curiosity, intellectual humility, and metacognition. Even highly accomplished scientists such as Nobel Prize recipients are not immune to errors in judgment. The Nobel disease, or Nobelitis, describes a phenomenon where laureates may develop a tendency to propose provocative or unconventional ideas, sometimes neglecting rational norms. Sebastian Dieguez, a Swiss neuroscience scientist, emphasizes that intelligence does not guarantee immunity to cognitive biases. This highlights the importance of practicing critical thinking skills, especially when one is confident in their correctness. It seems that intelligence does not make one immune to cognitive biases. Therefore, even highly intelligent people may neglect to exercise critical thinking skills when they are not sufficiently motivated to do so, especially when they are certain that they are right. PR. FNR Renault.